Hi, I am Sam. Today, I'm gonna introduce the Amazon parrot. Amazon parrots are among the more popular medium-sized parrot species, which might have something to do with their gregarious personalities. They are often described as boisterous, playful, and outgoing. Some even like to sing. Male Amazons have a reputation for exhibiting macho behavior. They might flare their tail feathers, pin their eyes, and strut across the floor or tabletop. Their color is normally green. Their size is medium. They can live up to 30 plus years. Their sounds are more like vocal communicator. Their interaction with people is social. Let's look at quick facts. Amazon parrots have short, blunt tail feathers as opposed to long pointed tail feathers like those of conures, macaws, and cockatiels and other parrots. An estimated 27 species of Amazon parrots exist. However, only about 10 to 12 Amazon species are kept as pets. Male Amazons often do a macho strut work, especially when overly excited or agitated. The white-fronted Amazon is the smallest Amazon species, which is 10 inches long. The mealy Amazon is one of the largest Amazon parrot species, which is 16 inches long. Their diet and nutrition is based on parrot food. Amazon parrots have a well-earned reputation as being the life of the party. These primary green medium to large-sized parrots are typically bold, comical, and often love to be the center of attention. Amazon parrots are from Mexico, South America, as well as parts of the Caribbean. The wild Amazon's natural habitats include savannas, palm groves, scrub forest, and rainforest. Most Amazon parrots love to bathe, and bathing opportunities can include joining their owner in the shower, getting a spray bath, or jumping in their water dish and splashing water all about. Bathing is an important part of an Amazon feather health. Because of their love of food and their habit of begging for table foods from their owners, Amazon parrots tend to tip the scales toward being overweight. An Amazon parrot needs a spacious cage with toys and swings spread out, as well as a play gym, play tree, climbing rope, and ladders to scale to encourage movement and exercise. An Amazon parrot often has a hearty appetite, especially for people food, so owners need to make sure that they do not overdo it with treats and table foods. An Amazon parrot's main diet should consist of a nutritionally balanced manufactured diet, as well as an assortment of healthy vegetables, some fruit, and healthy treats that pack nutrition instead of empty calories. Amazon parrots seem to relish the texture of food almost as much as its taste. A properly cared for Amazon parrot that consumes a healthy, nutritionally balanced diet can live up to 60 years. Can you believe that? This is the overall of Amazon parrot, and I'm gonna talk about every species of Amazon individually later on. That's all for Amazon parrots today. Thank you.